Kei ko atu I te rua te kautau te kaunihera ārohe o te moana atoi e whakau ana I ētehi wāri Māori. Toko toru ngā kaitono mō te wāri Māori o Mauao, ko Matemoana McDonald, ko Paora Stanley, rātou ko Ange Webster.
It's still a strong fight for us to maintain our rights as mana motuhake and the rights that go with that.
Hei tā Matemoana McDonald, ko te mana motuhake te whāinga o tana tū, ā ko ia hoki te kaipupuri o te tūru o Mauao I tēnei wāni. Ko upoko pakaru ia I roto I ngā tau.
It's the fourth time that I'm actually putting my hand up for this seat, and the reason why I'm going a fourth time, there is unfinished business, and what I can see in the next wave is a lot of challenges for us as Tiwi Māori with this new government.
It's invaluable to the country. We bring a range of different perspectives that the council doesn't really have and hasn't always had an opportunity to hear.
E ai kia Paora Stanley ko te mahi kaikiri tētehi āhuatanga nui e pēhi ana I te iwi Māori, ko iwa tau hoki ia e tū, hei tumu whakarai o tōna iwi o ngai te rangi.
You can do both jobs. I mean, Pākehā candidates have been doing this for years, doing both the Pākehā job and the council job. I'm no different.
When I think about our people, it's about ensuring we are connected and can continue to be connected. So not only here in Tauranga, but across our region. We've got some natural relationships across the region as Māori, and I want to support our ability to keep connecting to our people.
E tū ana Ange Webster ki te manaaki te wai, te whenua, me te hautakiwā. Ai he ana ia kia whakamana te tai ao kia kaua e taka ki raro kia whaiwahi mai te pūtea.
Yeah, I do have some priorities that I've identified, and for me the first priority is always people. But in the regional council space, it's about ensuring our taiao is healthy because that ensures our people are well.
Ko te rohe pōti o Mauao, ko waihi ki te raki mauru, ko ngā mautere o tuhua me mō titi ki tai, a hu atu ki o tamarākau I te rāwhiti, a kamutu ngā kaimai ki uta.
What I want to achieve is the true partnership between Tiwi Māori, and for me particularly in my rohe, is for the hapu and iwi of the Mauao constituency to have true genuine relationships and partnerships even with regional council, so that they are sitting there as equals.
I want to make sure that our people get what they're rightfully entitled to, which has been denied them by successive councils and this country in general.
I absolutely support our people to stand, and what I wish for is the best of our people to take up the role, whoever that might be. So I just encourage more and more of our people to keep standing in spaces that are going to make a difference.
Kia koutou te mana e taima. Mā wai rā te reo o Mauao e kawe ki te kaunihera ārohe o te moana atoi. Te kawa Paora, Aukaha.